Sanjeevani Booti. Sanjeevani Booti, also known as Sanjeevani Herb plant, people know it as a magical herb, but actually, it is a scientific herb and can be found in mountains that are covered by mountains all around and above, and the covered mountains should be above hot water. It is hard to find those places in the mountains which have the availability of natural hot water. It is not necessary that if there is hot water, there will be a plant of Sanjeevani Booti. Till now, I have found 4 mountains in different countries: India, Uttarakhand, China, Nepal, and if I have to calculate the land size of all 4 on the total, it will be around 11.23 acres. Legionella bryopteris is not a Sanjeevani Booti. Some people are fooling and don't want to believe that Indian ancient science was more modern and advanced than us. The plant Sanjeevani Booti need no sunlight to grow, the land must be above hot water, and as the land is covered from above, it is hard for snow to reach the location. It is a complete scenic beauty where you can relax in hot water or walk on the ground barefoot, and greenery is around you and able to see snowfall at far, no sunlight but still no need of light as flowers have lightened up the place. It's look like someone has done ambient lighting. You can easily get attracted to the flower as it feels like some kind of color change. Waterfall is going on, petal from outside to inside towards ovary, from dark blue to dark green to dark red. I have also found a similar covered mountain land in Sri Lanka, but with no water and no plants inside. The land of this place is completely different from the land around this mountain, as this mountain does not belong here. You will not find not even a single plant or any type of grass on the covered land. Now the land is barren because of unmatchable climate with soil. The soil which I found on covered mountain land in Sri Lanka is the same as found in the other 4 places. Usually, the temperature inside a plant may vary at max around 10 degrees Celsius, but I have seen something completely different here. More the temperature at roots, less will be the size of the flower. Temperature of root vary from 25 to 30 Celsius, above 30 degrees and below 25 degree plant won't last. The trunk and branch of the plant are green, and the leaf can only be found on twig. The flower only grows in an environment where there is a slow cold wind, and as the wind flows, you will see the color change. The flower only lasts for a few hours if the branch is kept away from warm water after plucking. You can also wrap the flower with a cloth dipped in warm water. Don't get confused because the flower only grows and changes color in the cold wind but needs warmth to live. The flower contains 13 chemical substances that can change anyone's life. One of them is epinephrine, which is used to treat several conditions like superficial bleeding, swelling, anaphylaxis, cardiac arrest, blood pressure. Epinephrine is found in the natural state and has a slightly better chemical configuration which will not harm anybody in case of overdose. Epinephrine is only 10% in a flower. Rest, it has medicines that are unknown by the world that can repair DNA, cells of the brain and skin without any side effects and reactions. I have gifted few flowers to the gurus of the village, and they were very happy to see that. Then I have explained everything. They have also said whatever I have found is true, as it is also written on Ramayana on banana leaf.